Hi, welcome to this lesson which is on indices or powers. Introduction. Let's consider something like 2 times into 2 times into 2 times into 2. We would write this as 2 with a little 4 on the top right hand corner, and we would read this as 2 to the power 4. Don't think it's 2 times 4, that is equals to 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 16. So there is a difference between this little 4 which is called exponent or power. 3 into 3 is equals to 3 square, which is read as 3 squared. That is equals to 3 into 3 equals to 9. Don't get confused that it's equals to 3 into 2 equals to 6. Now 4 into 4 into 4 equals to 4 to the power 3, which is again read as 4 cube. Again 4 into 4 into 4, that is equals to 64. Don't get confused that 4 into 3 that is equals to 12. Please make it clear. Now let us see a into a into a into a equals to a to the power 5. That is read as a to the power of 5. That is not equals to 5a. 5a means a plus a plus a plus a plus a equals to 5a. Suppose let value the a equals to 2. So hence now a to the power 5 will equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equals to 32. And on adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 10. Now let's consider something else. Suppose we look at 3a squared. What would it mean? We need to go back and think about bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we need to do the indices first before multiplication. So this means that 3 times a squared, it is 3 times a into a. Don't think that 3a ka whole square is equals to 3a square. That is equals to 3a into 3a, that is equals to 9a square. Now let us assume a equals to 2. So on putting the value in the place of a, we are having 3 into 2 ka square. That is equals to 3 into 2 into 2 equals to 12. And on 3a ka whole square, that is equals to 3 into 2 ka whole square equals to 3 into 6 ka square. 6 into 6 equals to 36. So 12 is not equals to 36. Now let us note the summarize it, that a to the power n, where a is the base and n is the power or index of exponent. Now suppose 2 to the power 5. So here 5 is the exponent and 2 is the base. Now the exponent n tells us that how many times to multiply the base itself. So here a to the power n equals to a into n2, that means n times. The exponent tells us how to multiply. So 2 to the power 3. That is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. So here the base is 2. Now suppose 5 to the power 1 is there. If nothing is there, 1 is there. X to the power, that means x to the power 1 is there. Similarly, we are having more examples. Just y, if the power having 5, then it is written as y into y into y into y into y. That means 5 times. That is equals to 5. And similarly 5 to the power 3. So 5 into 5 into 5. That is equals to 125.